How to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, what you simply need to do is scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Now as you tap on apps, select on manage apps option, and as you tap on manage apps, you'll be able to see the search bar right over here. So simply tap on search bar and search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp over here, and after a few seconds the app will pop up at the bottom. So simply tap on the WhatsApp application, and as the app pops up, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option of app permissions and select on it. So as you tap on app permissions, you can see there are different options that has been allowed to sync with WhatsApp, and one of them is contacts. So simply what you need to do is you just have to sync WhatsApp contacts. Then you can simply tap on contacts and give that access by tapping on allow, which I've already done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.